To create multiple non-working hours, we can actually go to the Webwasher action editor session, whereby you can actually create a new one from this existing block during office hour. You create a new from existing, you'll find a new one coming out here. What you need to do here is that because for this example we'll be using Hong Kong and Singapore as an example, so maybe say Hong Kong, apply above changes, and then go back to the action editors and block during work hours, create a new from existing, and then here we will put it as Singapore. So we have two action editors, one mainly the Singapore and one is in the Hong Kong. In Webwasher, in the appliance mode, you will be able to find a file called global.ini file. Need you to open this file up, and when you do a search, you will find this line non-work hours from 0 hours to 08 hours. So we can easily have this and paste it over here, copy and paste it, adding another line called non-work hours for Hong Kong and non-work hours for Singapore, which states that the non-working hours for Hong Kong will be from 00 hours to 0900 hours, and the non-work hours for Singapore will be 00 hours to 1000 hours. So once you edited or you actually VI this file, you will need to save it and restart the service. After you restart the Webwasher service, when you come in to here, you will be able to see the configuration files and the action editors. Back here again, you'll need to choose the edit and the time scheme over here. Go to choose the one that you actually selected just now. Go to Singapore again, and under the time scheme name, choose Singapore, apply changes and go back. So in order to confirm that your settings has been set accordingly, go back and double check non-work hours for Hong Kong's, and the other one is the Singapore one. We edit and we check, it is still at Singapore. So right now you have actually created two action editors, and you tie these two action editors into different non-work hours for the different countries. So when you go to the URL filter here, under the policy, under the Hong Kong, you will have you actually have some editors. Maybe for or you actually can actually set block during work hours in the Hong Kong for pornography, etc. Or you can even set to the rest, maybe a lot more to block during office hour for Hong Kong. Apply changes. You go to the policy for Singapore, and then in Singapore you can actually set it to block during work hours for the Singapore time zone. Apply changes. So in Singapore and in Hong Kong, you will have two different policies that states two different time zones. I hope this will help in your POC. Thanks.